Bonjour and welcome les enfants. Today we will do some magic. We will do magical caterpillars or millepattes. This is our magical recipe. Magical powder or poudre magique. Paint or peinture. Magical bags or sachets magiques. Some sticks or bâtonnets. Furry balls or boules de poil. We are missing something. What do we need to make magic? Oh, I remember now. We need a magic wand or baguette magique. Let's start with yellow or jaune. Add a furry ball or boule de poil. Add some yellow paint or peinture jaune. Add some yellow magical powder or poudre magique jaune and mix it or mélange. Don't forget your magical wand or baguette magique. A yellow caterpillar or millepattes jaune. Time for an orange caterpillar. Open your magical bag. Add a furry ball or boule de poil. Add some orange paint or peinture orange. Add some magical powder and mix it or mélange. Don't forget your magical wand or baguette magique, an orange caterpillar or millepattes orange. What is the color of our next magical caterpillar? That's right, it's blue or bleu. Add a furry ball or boule de poil. Add some blue paint or peinture bleue. Add some blue magical powder or poudre magique bleue. Mix it or mélange. And the magical wand or baguette magique. A blue caterpillar or millepattes bleu. A green bag or sachet vert. Add a furry ball or boule de poil. Add some green paint or peinture verte. Add some magical powder. Mix it or mélange. And the magical wand or baguette magique. A green caterpillar or millepattes vert. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Jaune. Orange. Bleu. Vert.
Bonjour, Rainbow Maman. Please, could you help me find my friends?
Of course, sheep. Let's do some magic again. This is our magical recipe. You will need some furry balls or boules de poil, some slime, and last but not least, you have to play the flute or jouer de la flûte. Don't forget your magical wand or baguette magique. Let's take our magic bowl. Furry ball or boule de poil. Some slime. And the flute or flute. Abracadabra. Orange sheep or mouton orange. Furry ball or boule de poil. Some slime. Some flute or flute. Abracadabra. A pink sheep or mouton rose. Furry ball or boule de poil. Some slime. Some flute notes or quelques notes de flûte. Abracadabra. A green sheep ou mouton vert. Orange or orange. Pink or rose. Green or vert. Let's Let's count in French. 1, 2, 3.
Merci les enfants, and thank you.
How many caterpillars or millepattes do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4. And 1, 2, 3 sheeps. Shh, it's time for sleep. Il est l'heure de dormir. Good night, sheeps. Good night, caterpillars. Bonne nuit, les moutons. Bonne nuit, les millepattes. Merci and thank you, les amis. Don't forget to subscribe. N'hésite pas à t'abonner. Au revoir et à bientôt sur Rainbow Maman.